Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Reasonings with Sheena. Big up to all lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax and enjoy the vibe. Wagwan, how to do, how things, how life. Bless up to each and every one. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads, as the ads is what helps us to earn a revenue. All right, my loves, big up on yourself. We're going to get straight down into the video right about now. But my loves, I know I'm not listening to my son, I can't hear, so my stuffy. My stuffy, my love, I'm Master Rufus, cause it. Cause from me give Master Rufus the little Sunday dinner, him just nice to me. So then under know say me a Agnes and Rufus they run bar and drink rum and water last night. Yes, my love. Master Rufus invite out Agnes, my dear children, and we go run bar and drink rum and water, we chat and so. Yes, my dear children, me and Rufus and Agnes I drink JB and water, my love, with ice. Me did want stretch my chest, you know, my love, up to, you know, I drink a muscat or so, but me no want push my luck with Master Rufus. You understand me, my dear, so me just sick of the rum and water cause that he for me. And then give Agnes red stripe beer, my love. Yes, my dear children, so in the night, you know, the 3 away stagger come home, my love. 3 away junk like a bat, my dear children. So me catch up draft, Rufus, me catch up draft, my dear children. So, and that's why I don't hear this stuffiness in my nose soul, my love. Rufus, give me draft. Alright, so we get down in another video now, my love. So, since the winter wonderland, you know, everybody out and stunting, everybody with them reviews, good reviews, bad reviews, constructive criticism, and the whole works, but everybody come out. I would have surprised, don't it? Because once a lady, all kind of people are going to draw out. Everybody are going to have something to say. But you know what? It was expected. It was expected. Because enough of them sit down and go on like them then and wait for the day to come. Them are go on like I say, only we alone did anxious and could wait pan the day. When them did anxious even more than we. The haters them couldn't wait, my loves. Them eager for the day come. And bam, the day come, the whole of them go full up front row. The whole of them go full up VIP section. Some of we now have to run a back of people over people head back and people shoulder. Cause the haters them take over VIP section. But nothing wrong with them in the VIP section. You know, my dear children, we get better view. Yeah, we see them better. So we can't able to enjoy watching them and torture themselves right up a VIP, my love. So now the whole of them come out and voice them opinion. One in particular, she couldn't even wait so till the party done good. Bamson, she take to fear platform. Yeah, them a talk about frack. Them a talk about who look good for who never look good. And some of them went out here and criticize, you know, my love. Some of them went out here and criticize. Them figured say, them the members say when them have on for them clothes, especially sock-on clothes, the same sock-on clothes where them a beat Lady Diva. Them the members say when them have on for them sock-on clothes, they favor crocus bag of rent and pan truck top going to Coronation Market. Them no member. Them a go on like they shape out like me. Yes, my love, them a go on like them shape out with flat belly and hips. Yeah, my love, them the members say them lumpy and favor pot of cornmeal porridge when I make good. And them come out and criticize people and how people look in their clothes. Anyways, that's the thing set. You understand, lady, the a public figure, so people are going to talk. People will talk. Yes, my love, but me rather the white dress. Me not too fond of the gold one, my love. Me not too fond of the gold one. Me never like the gold one. Me rather the white dress. But as me always say, lady, they have for her own taste. She have for her own likeness. I know what we like and what she like. And as long as she like what she like and she comfortable in what she like, that is all that matters. My taste and of a lady D taste and lady D taste and my taste. I know lady D a bigger woman for me, so for her taste I go different from mine. You understand, mama love? So, But me never too fond of the gold dress anyways. Yeah, my love now. So that. So like I said earlier, I did expect say people are gonna come out. Me expect say the haters them are gonna come out too. And not just the people them we are give good reviews are gonna come out. We know say the haters them are gonna come out. We know them did come, right? And the reviews are out. So we hear all kind of something, my love. Everybody come and them flinging them opinion now. But when me can't understand, my loves. When me can't understand now, a white tea lady, she just rush out so like the big bad wolf in the 3 little pigs, my love. My loves, I have an idea how I trigger Tlady, you know. I have an idea how I trigger Tlady, but I soon tell you no. But all I can say is that Tlady, I feel your pain, ma'am. Tlady, I feel your pain. I can see that you're hurting, Tlady. I can see that you are really, really hurting. So hence the reason now you come back cuss out the blogger them, yeah, cuss out Lady D, Chris, Lady V, everybody, you just come out for everybody. So how you get for your trend, mama? You name Sam Sneesha? He? For Samson was the strongest man. So I guess you name Sam Sneesha cause yes the woman. And where you get your trend from, my love? And how you can carry burden so? Yeah, beast of burden, Tlady, are you her donkey, are you her mule, ma'am? Why you can carry people burden so, my love? You don't want peace within yourself, Tlady. Emma, at a full time you find little peace within yourself, my love. Oh, Tlady, mama, feel your pain. I can just imagine you tossing and turning into fear bed at night time. No wonder you jack you up on the wall because you don't want to fall off. So, Tlady, you really mean to tell me, say, is the verse a she cake why you behaving like that, ma'am? In Tlady, my love? Is the verse a she cake, my dear child? I understand, you know, that verse as she cake, you know, is a masterpiece. You understand me, Tlady? And it should be framed. Yes, that verse as she cake should be framed. I understand that the cake might be triggering you, but me love, make I tell you the real trigger. Make I tell you the real trigger now, me love. You know, remember when Lady D up there, I big up the cake, me love? Yes. When Lady D up there, I big up the cake, my love. You know when no say Lady D did toss a piece of half a block from down a Florida they go straight up a New York, go clot Tlady in her caca hole, me love, lick out the whole of her brain cell them and give her concoction. You not pay attention? Hey, me understand say some man when I enjoy on no sell, but uno wasn't paying attention. But through me observant and me fast when me ready, me love. And you know, I'm a very attentive listener. Uno say when Lady D did up there, bigging up Chris and bigging up the cake, me love. Lady D did go tell Mr. Chris say that he is the best baker into England. And then she did mention something about the US of the A too. Yes, the US of the A foreign, or particularly the foreign my love, but I don't remember exactly what she said. If Chris was the best baker into the America foreign too, but you know she said something close to that, not in the exact word when me I say. So Lady D was crowning Mr. Majesty right there. So as the king of baking, me loves a there so trigger Tlady. Oh no, see everybody else come out the following day after the party and Tlady have to wait the nether day so that he could have soak into her, me love. Had that trigger Tlady, me love, Lady D clot her over with one half a block. Because Mr. Majesty get the baking title. So she no must feel within herself, say Lady D a drop one pan her, me love. So as so make she come out for everybody. Yes. Hala call Raga Shanti name, but Tlady. But Tlady. You know, you're not no shame do Tlady. You call Raga name like you are Raga good. Tlady, you calling Raga Shanti name like you are Raga good. Tlady, you having memory problem? What you calling out Raga Shanti for? Me no back a pinch you and tell you something. You no remember when Pinkwall did name Jamaica Matey and Groupie? Hey. Tlady, me I got to take you back down a memory lane little bit for you, but like I say, you know, remember, you call up Raga Shanti name, Tlady, you and Raga Shanti is not good. You understand? You remember say Raga Shanti and come out here come call you rat vomit me love? Cause you did trouble the man. You trouble the man and check the man with liar and the man come out for you and the man class your out and the man dog your out to nothing and call you rat vomit. And he may tell you say you figure 6:30 and drain out your acid all. I saw him did tell her me love him tell her say she figure 6:30 and drain out her acid hole. And that he may tell her me love. Tlady, you know remember the same thing that me remember me no figure nothing no Tlady. And he may say that you got vampire hole too. I saw him me loves he may class her, he may cuss her. I don't know what it burn him to me love. For one little mix up did a go on with Raga Shanti then time there, you know. Them the time Tlady hot out here in a blagging, you know, me love. And she did take up, you know, and she and her people, them me love. Them bash the man and put out false story about the man, me love. So the man did move to our wicked me dear children. Remember? You no tande think me no member. Me member Tlady. I saw me hear you come out here what you call up Shibada name like you feel say yeah Shibada good for Shibada in class out your kakanis too. And me love she know say she a raga never good. You know the woman know say she a raga never good and she a raga must have buck up somewhere me dear children. I don't know say the woman go take picture with raga never know say a she. Hey. Never know say a she afterwards raga know say a she raga say if he may ever know say a she when him done with her till you a long time you get problem long rotted wall I think I must about 2016 so you know me love if I'm remembering correctly long rotted time the woman out here give her kin problem me love and she no want retire until you know want retire till lady so nobody can call up the man name out here cause uno no good and you know that too. You know the man not like the piece of cloth we make you. Remember then time that he did raga shanty, you know? He did raga shanty. No, he is attorney at law, Kingsley Stewart. So you better know your place, still lady, and understand yourself and not call up the man name out here again. You must learn, till lady, and you must behave yourself, ma'am. For me granny always say, bird fly too fast, pass their nest. Till lady, mind your pass your nest. Hey, oh Jesus. I understand so you cut up about the Versace cake. You understand me? I understand that the cake is the talk of the media out here. And for your Queen Elizabeth had cake where you did give Lady Hover Sophie her gala. Nobody name talk about it because it never cute. Your cake never nice. Your cake did look like something we could have used make headstone tea lady. I understand you could have go pan grave for headstone because it never stay good. And I'm gonna lie to you and tell you say your cake did stay good tea lady. It never stay good. Cause bad too bad if it did stay good, mother come out here and say tea lady your cake stay good. But that bright purple we take the attention half of everybody had that gala. All me could have think of when me see it was Queen Elizabeth. That's all I could have think of tea lady Queen Elizabeth. Then hal bam bam she cuss out to you know me look but me no know where bam bam do her my dear children. I don't know where bam bam do her. I don't know where bam bam say. But she can cuss out bam bam too. She cuss out everybody basically me love. She put all of the blogger them under one umbrella and cuss out everybody my dear children. All sister Rosie Rose she turn back pan me love. All sister Rosie Rose she turn back pan. Cause what make it worse now you know my dear children. You know hear her out here attack say Rose did out. You know hear her out here say Rose talk nice things about her. And that true Rose talk nice things about her why Chris I go at Rose me love. Then you know no say Rose come flap her me love. Me loves I say Rose come flap her. Rose put out a post me love. Rose put out a post me love where clatter in her go-go peas me love and hot up the concoction where Lady D give her. For all along now she did have it up into her stomach that Rose was defending her. So Rose now me love put up one post over there. Boy Rose you love the writing baba. Rose you love the writing ma. So me go over Rose yard me dear children and go buck up in that post here over there. Had a post here cloth over Tlady me love. Picture don't trade pan her back. She spread out down the like when vehicle run over bullfrog, my love. So piece of the post now, you know, my love, where Rose put up over there. Say last year, she did make a post. Say she no care who want do charity out here. You understand? And she said that let people who want do charity, do charity. And let people get help if they can, me love. So if you ever like I say now, during the same time when Tlady did a run for her charity for the school as them, you remember? So I must say in at them the time the Rose put up that now. So poor Tlady now, me love, feel like I say Rose did a defend her. So Tlady head must say swell up and she feel good about it, me love. So I hit she now come out here, me love, and rub it in at the Mr. Majesty man face. So Rose come back again, you know me dear children, in the same post. I said that they fi stop twist up our words them. Because she said she was speaking in general. She didn't talk about no one particular smaddy. She was speaking in general. And she said that they fi stop call her name. Cause she no want no defender. So if you like I say I hit Tlady Sibyl and she turn for Rose. For with the show, don't we are galang with Mr. Majesty and Rose, you know me love. She did come out here in defense of Rose, you know me love. And based on the things them where she has said now, it's like I say, she had try put a rift between Rose and Auntie Dana Mellow because she want put it in a Rose head now say Auntie Dana rather Chris than her Rose. Yeah, want if you look now like say Auntie Dana no care about Rose and them something that she had try put out there. But Rose was not fool me love. Rose read right through her and say what she's doing. Yes, my dear children, Rose never fall for it. But till lady, as far as Missy, you not like yourself and yourself not like you. Because any at all you did like yourself and yourself did like you would have never put yourself in a them your position you all the while, my love. Because all when people not see you and nobody not talk about you try to say and do things. You understand? The people can address you so that you can remain relevant. Kind of dear people talk about who do you know till who do not relevant so to you know till who do not got no relevance whatsoever. So anytime you sit down there, you hear nobody now you see nobody now mention you and them sin thing you do. Them sin thing you do for draw attention to yourself. Then till you know no little man. Eh? No little family member, nobody we can give attention to your yard that you don't have to come out here seeking it from the public, my love. Eh? You're not getting no too still, lady. Because you wouldn't have to come out here and crave people attention like that, tea lady. Oh man, you got to find somebody, tea lady. You got to find somebody, man. For the attention that you're getting out here is no good attention, tea lady. You're not getting no good attention, mama. You want one little somebody, you understand, till you occupy your time. Somebody at home with you. Now somebody where you go and come. You understand? Somebody at home. You can't pick two little hair bump, you understand? You can't pick two little blackhead all when no blackhead not there. You know just any little thing for occupy your time, man, so you know remember about outer social media. You know just something to take you away from social media. For you go KILL yourself out here, you know till you're going to KILL yourself. Blood pressure, heart attack, aneurysm, cardiac arrest, sinting, tea lady. One of these fine days, tea lady, if you don't stop, your cardiac is going to arrest you. You understand? And your heart is going to attack you one of these fine days. So till lady, me look out for your stop. Give yourself a break till you go rest, till you go rest. You get up in a age. Well, you're up in a age now till you go rest. You understand? Go rest, man. Because when me see you come out here and behave some way, I can say, oh God, man, poor thing. Poor little thing, poor soul. Oh my. You tell you, they find something and do and occupy your time, man. Go do some puzzle. Go knit some sweater or something. Do little embroidery, something. Do some patchwork sheet. Just any little thing, till you, any little thing. You understand if your mental health or something. Because me don't like the road that you're going down. And me don't like how I don't like the road that you're going down, till you. I don't like it. Because by now you should have relaxed. You know, retire from all of them foolishness that you're keeping out here. And relax. But if you, like I said, it's only getting worse and worse for you, Malo. Anyways, my dear children, thank you for tuning in. We've come to the end of another video. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself, and I will see you all in another video. Peace out, much love later.